Hey guys, JNT Shooter Reviews back again. Got a fun video for you today. I bought a new shotgun. I'm going to use this one for patrol. I'm going to tell you why I chose it, what I'm doing to it, all that fun stuff. So let's hop right into it. This is a Mossberg 590A1 tactical, and this is one badass gun. I really like this gun. I'm a big fan of Mossberg, not so much Remington anymore, and why I'll tell you right now why I don't own any more Remington products. From them going out of business, bankrupt for 8 times or 10 times now, and a lot of reasons agencies are getting away from Remington is because if something breaks, your armorer at your department has to fix it. Remington isn't doing like any warranty work or anything like that right now, to my knowledge. So to me, it's just a useless gun because if something does break, which it will, if you shoot it a lot, possibly, you're just gonna have problems. So Mossberg is in full effect, and I've always really liked them. Had owned a couple products from them, and this is the new 590A1, excuse me, tactical model. This is not the S series that takes short shells, but I don't need it to for the purpose of the shotgun. The older models, it had pretty much kind of the same stock. It is the speed stock. I'm sure some of you have seen it before, and you can add 2 shells to it on each side, so you have extra shells in case you don't have it on your body or person's. Your gun does, because your stock is always going to be there. So you got 4 extra rounds in the stock, which I think is very cool. I was going to put Magpul furniture on this, but I really like that feature, and I will have this in my patrol car. So in my opinion, I'm most definitely going to keep this stock on because I think it's very convenient. You put your less than lethals on one side and put your slugs on the other. So I think it's got a lot of versatility, which is awesome. And the forend is something they have finally fixed. Oh my God. I owned the older 590A1. It was pretty much just like this without the ghost ring sights, because I didn't own the tactical. The tactical has the ghost ring sights, excuse me, or it has the excess sights, which are these little like peephole, skinny girl sights they call them. So I really like these sights a lot. I like ghost ring sights, but something about these I just really enjoy. And just like all Mossbergs, they have the Tang safety, which is some people like, some people don't like, especially if you have a pistol grip on the shotgun. Some people don't like it because when you're gripping on the pistol grip, you got to move your hand all the way up to manipulate the safety. I don't really care. It doesn't really bother me. I'll just prop myself up on something or whatever the case is. I'm going to get the safety to move. So I'm not like really, I don't hate that. I actually kind of like it, and it's textured. So when you put your thumb into it, you have some grip on it. So that's really nice. I enjoy that. But back to the forend. The one they had on the older models had like Picatinny rail through the bottom and the sides, and had like only a little bit of section where it was just slick. You didn't have any M-lock or anything. It was just like an old school corncob forend. And when you would shoot like buckshot and slugs, it would dig in your hand so bad. My hand would start bleeding sometimes because I'd shoot like 20-30 buckshot or slugs in a row, just kind of getting a shotgun broken good. And yeah, it would be just digging in my hand. It was so uncomfortable. So now that is not a problem anymore because this this forend has M-lock all over it. So you can put whatever you want. If you want to put a bipod and look stupid, put a bipod. Whatever you want to add on this, that's M-lock. Throw it right on. No questions asked, no problems there. So I really like that. This is the 20-inch version. I wanted it for just the capacity And I really like 20-inch shotguns. Nothing wrong with 18.5, but it's got the extended tube, all that mumbo jumbo, and I think it's just awesome. And if you did not know this, the 590A1, the tacticals, they have metal trigger guards. So if it's just like a regular 500 or 590 for cost purposes, that you can get it for like $400. It is not metal, but this is going to be, I want this gun to be as reliable and tough as possible for the purpose, of course. And I would say this is top tier in my opinion for ruggability and reliability. I'm going to do another video shooting. This is just like a tabletop review, just a quick review to show you guys. Also have the Maxwell OD Green MS3, or I want to say MS3 sling. Yeah, this is a 3. Got the little handle where you can loosen and tighten the sling. Get it fit just how you need it. Really like that. It does have like a parkerized finish on the barrel, so it is very very tough and durable, which I also like. Picatinny rail with the XS sight. Also really like the Picatinny rail. If I want to throw a red dot, that's all I throw one on and I'm done. So very simple. Really like that also. Got the raised front sight, as you see, and I'll show you guys right there. It is a little white front sight, little white line, like that also. It does fit, it's, what is it, 8 + 1, so you get 9 rounds. That's very good out of a 20-inch shotgun. I really like that. Capacity is really something I was looking for the purpose of this. I had a little shockwave, and that I shot slugs and buckshot out of it, and that thing is just, it's a little too barky, and the recoil trying to get back on target acquisition, it's pretty hard. It's because it really kind of rattles your can when you shoot it a lot. So this is just exactly what I need, and I know people are going to want me to pump it one time for the video, so there you go. Yeah, I just think this is a perfect shotgun. The Remington 870 Tacticals, they're nice, but back to the Remington thing, I'm not big into if something happens and they can't get my gun back, or they're just not doing warranty service anymore, I'm not wasting my time spending my money with them. So it's Mossberg 590. A1 Tactical, it is perfect. Oh, and it also has the bayonet lug. I will not be using that because I have a sling on this also, but yeah, I'm not going to be using the bayonet lug, not slug, sorry. Also, with my purchase, picked up some Critical Defense. What is this? This is the Hornady Critical Defense double-out buckshot, 2 3/4. This is 8 pellet double-out buck, and it's 1600 FPS. That is very fast. That would be very lethal. And you get 10 shells in a box, and this, I got this for like 16 bucks, 15, 16 bucks, I want to say. Not a bad deal, and this is just awesome. So I'm gonna keep extra box of this stuff with me at all times. It also has the Versatite wad, so it has that little cup on the inside, a little wad that holds the buckshot, so it's a tighter pattern further out. So this is great for law enforcement. I'm not big on the cheap buckshot, things like that have really bad spread, especially if you're using up to 25 yards or more. I'd rather have the Versatite wads, or the federal law enforcement. They have the they have another wad, I can't remember what it's called, but they're great too. I got some Federal Premium True Ball slugs, 5 of them, low recoil rifle slug hollow point. You get this for like $7-8 a box. This is really good stuff. It comes with the has like a little wad too, so not bad. And I got 2 boxes. This is the Remington Law Enforcement Reduced Recoil. It's 25 shells a box, and they actually gave me a box for free, so that was really cool. And they gave me 10% off since I'm law enforcement, and I had a bunch of guns from them, so they're really cool people. But yeah, and also we'll get into price. I know that's a big effect for a lot of people. That's why a lot of people buy Maverick 88s, because it's cost effective. You know, I get it. We're in a really rough time. It's really hard right now for a lot of people. I understand. Sleepy Joe, that's his damn fault. He's an asshole. But back to the Mavericks, they're like, you can get up for like 250, 240-ish, under 300 for sure. I own a couple of them. I really, really like them. I think they're awesome guns. No complaints from me about them, but for my purpose, there's like a lot more plastic on it. I wanted more metal, as you can tell. And they're great guns. Like I said, don't get me wrong. If you're just looking for one gun and you're not really big into guns, you just want to have something like that for $200-300, get a Maverick 88. Whatever. But these go for about 600 to, I have seen online, to 750, under 8 at least, but 650 and up to about 8 is about the price you'll see these. If you guys got one for cheaper, or new one, or used one, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to see how much y'all pay for yours. But other than that, yeah. If you have any questions about it, please put it in the comments below. Like I said before, we'll talk about it. Soon I'm going to be doing a video shooting. I gotta get ready for work soon, so I'll probably not have any time to shoot this thing today. But I hope you guys have a great day. Watch my other content. Please subscribe. And check out my buddy Collapse and Protect. He's got a lot of good content out there too for shotguns. See you.